Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You already have currency, attention. First, inventory own channels, social, email list, blog, and prioritize the one with most engagement. Then build a single lead magnet that solves a specific problem. That becomes your ad creative and hook. Once done, craft a concise offer tied to one conversion goal so you can measure impact. Make sure to map a simple funnel: hook right arrow magnet, right arrow sign up. You'll use organic leverage before any paid spend, and that keeps the momentum low cost and scalable. Now amplify without cash. Repurpose your lead magnet into bite-sized content: video clips, carousel, tweet threads, and an email series. This creates many ad variants without production spend. Then approach micro-influencers, complimentary creators, or newsletters and propose value-first swaps, guest posts, interviews, or co-hosted lives so they promote your funnel. Once partnerships are lined up, coordinate launch windows and track UTM-tagged links. This multiplies reach and provides a /B data fast, which lets you iterate. Finish by focusing on conversions and measurement. Set up simple tracking for click-through rate and conversion rate, and if you ever test low-cost ads later, add cost per lead. Run rapid experiments, change one variable every 72 hours, and compare results so you know what actually moves the needle. If performance stalls, troubleshoot quickly. Confirm landing page load time, ensure messaging matches the original hook, and isolate which referral source underperforms. Make sure to reallocate promotion to what reliably converts and repeat the loop.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.